to my presentation of project number 2 for the CS50 web programming course. First of all, I want to thank you for this awesome learning track. I'm really learning a lot, and I think you guys have done a great job creating this course, so thank you very much. Let's start by saying, before we jump into this, in terms of models, I added to the already existing user model the listing model, the comment model, the category model, and the bids model. And as a non-registered or non-logged in user, you can basically visit the page and you can also see some details about the listings. But let's start by logging in to really enable the full potential of this small auction place here. So let's start by creating a new listing. For example, if I forget to add a like a title or anything, I get an error message saying that the title, description, and start bit cannot be empty. Okay, so let's actually add World Cup 2002 football, and this is the original football of the World Cup of 2002, and the start bid is, because it's quite old, it's $100 sports, and let's add also a picture to this. All right, we get a message saying successfully added the new listing. All right, we see it on the start page here now. And next, if we click on, sorry, I forgot to say that this first page is really only listing the active listings. So we also have inactive listings we will see later. But yeah, let's click on this one now. This is the detail page for an active listing, giving us the title, giving us the status, a picture, the description, the current price. You have the ability to add a bid. You can add or remove from the watch list. You can end the auction if you're the creator. I'm the creator. And you see a few details, and you can also add comments and see new comments. So let's start by actually adding a new bid. So say the current bid is 100. If I wanted to, okay, no, 100 is too expensive, say 90, I submit. I get an error message saying, okay, your bid must be greater than or equal to the latest bid. All right, okay, I'm ready to bid 100. Super. Now this is the latest bid. If I was gonna add a new bid, say 100 again, I now get a message saying, okay, your bid now must be greater than the latest bid. All right, so I'm ready to offer 101, submit, and here we go. Next is we can add to the watch list. If we add it to the watch list, the button changes to remove from the watch list. We can end the auction, which I'm going to show later. Just first, let's add a comment. I really like this football. All right, let's edit. And here you see the comment has been added with a timestamp and who has been placing this comment. All right, and now let's go to the watch listing. So I can, as I said, add it to the watch list, which I did. And I can remove it from the watch list, which I now did. So if I add it, I go to the watch list, it's been added. If I click on it, I go back, I can remove it. I go to the watch list, it's not there anymore. Cool. And now let's actually finally close this auction. Since I was the creator, I have this button. This wouldn't show if I were another user. End auction. And now this one says, okay, you won the auction because I was the latest and highest bidder. All right, last but not least, in terms of category, which is a nice way of kind of filtering the listings. Remember there was a Rolex Daytona, so let's say if I filter on jewelry, I get the Rolex Daytona. So yeah, that's last but not least, I added this inactive listings page, which basically is just listing all the let's say ended auctions. And yeah, that's my presentation. Thank you very much, and I look forward to the next exercise.